In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and manage your website files using Hostinger's platform. We'll cover everything from accessing the main Hostinger panel to uploading files to your specific website, ensuring you can manage your site's content with ease and confidence. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Hostinger homepage. You'll need to log in if you aren't already. The Hostinger panel is a powerful tool allowing you to manage multiple aspects of your website efficiently. Once you're logged in, your first task is to click on the Websites section. This area is essentially your master hub, providing access to all the websites you may have under your Hostinger account. From here, you need to direct yourself to the dashboard. The dashboard is where you score a comprehensive overview of your website and its settings. It's your site's control center, giving you insights and access to deeper functions that you might need for maintenance or enhancements. Once you're in the dashboard, your next step is to click on Files. This step will seamlessly transition you to the file management phase. In the Files section, you want to click on the File Manager. Hostinger's File Manager is a user-friendly tool that acts like your computer's file explorer, but for your website files. Here is where you'll have hands-on access to manage your site's files, making it vital for uploading images, updating website scripts, or backing up important data. Once in the File Manager, look for the option that says Reach Files of only this specific website. This action will ensure you're dealing specifically with the files of the website you want to manage, which is crucial when overseeing multiple sites. Having zeroed in on the specific site files, you will find an option labeled File Upload. Click on it. This feature is your main access point for uploading new files to your website. Whether you're adding new content or updating existing files, this is where you start the process. Finally, select the Upload button. It will open a dialog where you can choose files from your local device to upload directly to your website. It's a straightforward process, just like attaching a file to an email. Once the files are uploaded, they'll be live on your site as soon as you refresh or publish, making it a quick, effective way to manage web content. And that's it! With these steps, you've learned how to access and manage files effectively using the Hostinger platform. This skill will keep your website running smoothly and your content current. Thanks for tuning in, and happy website managing!